Hello my loves and welcome back to my channel. I am looking crazy, but today I'm gonna be trying out my first ever ponytail. I'm gonna be trying out the Freetress Equal Pony Pop ponytail because it came in gray. That was the only reason why I wanted this wig, and it's curly and it's cute and funky, but I don't know the kind of curls they are, so I don't know if I can finesse it, if I could even rock it or anything like that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull my hair back, pull my hair up in the highest of ponytails that I can without you seeing the gray, because my baby hairs in the back stick out, see, like that. So I'm gonna go ahead, put my ponytail on, and we'll come back and take her out of the packaging. So I don't have much hair, clearly, from what you can tell. I don't have much hair, so she's in a little baby bun. All right, so we have this pony pop right here. I don't think I've even looked for reviews on this, to be honest. I don't know. Did I? I don't remember. Anyway, I got the shade. Looks like old lady hair. I got the shade Tdgray. Hoping that this was going to be a texture I can work with. So, I don't know. I don't want to use something that clearly is not going to look good on me. Really heavy and over the top. Clearly I don't have that much hair, so I really feel like I won't really wear it well. I don't know how these work. I have no idea. This is Pony Pop in Tdgray. It has a dome cap for extra room, which child ain't shit in there. The texture on it's really nice. Of course, it's the curl pattern on this, I'm assuming it's like a 4C curl pattern. It has these like pops of color of gray, which I think is cute. I mean, I don't know how I'm gonna wear this. So then you would drawstring it up. Oh, this thing's gonna have to go really tight. This thing's gonna have to go really, really tight. Okay, so here goes nothing. I think I put, it comes with a little comb in the back. It's got this big old dome that if I put my hand in it, that sounds gross, but if I put my hand in it, it comes up to here where my rings are pretty much. So it has some space for a bun, a big enough bun. So, I mean, I don't, child, I already could tell you I look crazy. How would I know when to stop? Because I don't have a lot of hair. Is there a max? Let me, I have questions, guys. Help, I need friends. Does it feel like it's secure? Ow, 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 ow. That comb is in there though. I am new to this, but I'm gonna assume that you wrap the drawstring around and tuck it in. It doesn't feel bad, like it doesn't feel awful. I'm flattening it out as much as I can. This is really cute though, but it doesn't feel snug. So let me see something real quick, because I feel like I effed up somewhere. I love the color of this. I look like a little pineapple. This is like something that you could just throw on and go. Make sure your ponytail's like snug enough on this thing. I just feel that if the wind blew right, I'll show you guys the back, which I think is cute. I don't know, I'll lower my head a little bit. I mean, she's got really good color. My hair is not that dark right now. I haven't really done anything to it. It's just kind of lightened over the years. It's also thinned throughout the years. So the curls on this is really cute. I'm just sitting back because I don't know what to do. I wish she had more gray. You get what I'm saying? Like I wish she had the black, yes, but I wish it was like almost all of it was gray tips rather than just a few accents of gray, which I think it's cute nonetheless. This is a lot of hair though. The dome is really good for someone that has a lot of hair. This is cute though. I do think this is adorable. Something that you want to just wear out and simple, easy. I'm running errands. I just want to look put together. I want to look cute and flirty and friendly, not bitchy like I always do. This is something I would wear. I think she's cute though. I think that I can make it work. I think that this is something that if I don't feel like doing too much and just kind of, I could probably bring it down to, like I could probably, this is probably the highest my hair would go without the whole back of my head just looking crazy. So overall, I think this is This is cute though. So this is really a good first experience because I always wanted to have like curls like this on the top of my head, but I just feel like my hair's like really shiny right now. Probably dirty as shit anyway, and it's got product in it and stuff like that, so it's probably why it's looking a lot more shinier. This is so pretty though, and it just feels bouncy and fun. The color is cute. Do wish it did have more gray, but that's just me. But I think that the variation on it doesn't look too matronly. But this is great for someone that's transitioning their grays. Like say they have a lot more gray roots, but they kind of want to bring some of the roots to and darkness into the ponytail. I think this will be great. So now that I kind of mashed it into my head, it looks more like coming out of my head style rather than it just kind of just sticking out like it was earlier, because it was just this earlier. So you definitely have to like work it, stick it down, and you know, fluff it up and make it look a little bit more realistic because it does come in a box. But overall, I feel like Curly Sue Cruella de Vil. This is a good variation of like a 4A 3C curl, which has a more ringlet style pattern. I think the 3C would be a little bit wider, but I could be wrong because I don't have that kind of hair. I don't have barely any hair. Okay, my love, so this is pretty much it for my review and try on the Freetress Equal Pony Pop Ponytail in the shade Tdgray. I think she looks so cute with it, and of course it looks like it should be up higher, but I got like 3 hairs on my head right now that I have to put up in a ponytail, so no, it does not work that way for me. But overall, I think she's cute. I think this is the way to go on days that I just don't want to do too much but still look really cute and put together. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys like this video. Please thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Chicken, guap, guap,